Okay, got it in.
Na inside, baby, sa inside dito. Yung butas na yon, ayun,
Yeah.
diba nakita mo yung small butas?
Yeah.
Ipapasok mo.
Okay na, nakapasok na.
Hmm?
Nakapasok na yan
Hindi ganyan, anak. Ito yung ipapasok mo sa loob, this one. Doon.
Ah, I get it. Is there also a needle there?
No, wala.
I can't see that much. I can't see that much. I can't see. The hole is too small. Okay, got it.
Okay, napasok na. Ngayon, ito ipapasok mo ito dito. Yan. Sa butas na yan na malaki. Ha?
Okay. Go.
Ayan, hilahin mo siya.
Okay,
Labas mo, baby.
Huh?
Labas mo.
What needle?
It's okay. Labas mo tong ito.
Can I let go of
Yung
it?
threader, ilalabas mo. Yan. Okay na. Para lang may pasok natin yung sinulid yan. Okay?
Okay.
Yan na. Doon wag mo bitawan. Isa pa. Hilahin ko ha. Hilahin mo ito, anak. At hawakan mo yung while you're touching the needle.
Okay.
While you're holding the needle pala. Yan. Okay. Sige. Magano tayo ng ng tali. Isa pa. Mahaba dapat. One more. Oops, tama na.
Okay.
Okay. Ikakat na natin tong ha.